YouTube, Will here. I'm outside the Central Command bunker at the range, and I'm here today with my Mossberg 9200 12-gauge shotgun. This shotgun was originally designed as a combat shotgun for, I believe, the Marine Corps. It was originally designed as a combat shotgun. Now, I've put on a pistol grip, and I've enhanced it with a 10-round magazine tube, and of course my large size Coke can red dot scope. People say that the 9200, you either get a good one or you get a bad one. I got a real good one here. It rarely barocks me, and I'm going to be shooting at a plate rack behind me, and I'll be shooting target loads, cheap Walmart brand or Federals I get at Walmart. It's cheap possible, and this gun runs exquisitely on pretty much anything I put in it. So take a gander. Works pretty good. If you get a chance to pick one of these up, if you can get it real cheap, I'd take a chance on it. You might get one of the good ones. Well, that's all for now. I gotta get back to shooting. I got an itchy trigger finger, boy. Indian style.